Hi friends, happy Summerween and welcome to the 5th day of introductions for Mama Elephant's June 2025 release. Today we are introducing Bewitched and its coordinating creative cuts. Let's take a look at the images included in this set. This set comes with 4 witch images, 3 sentiments, a moon, a kitty in a cauldron, a broom, a sweet little witch kitty, and a witch house. Today I'm showing you how I color the little kitty in the cauldron. And as always, the Copic color numbers are shown, but also listed in the description below. I finished the coloring with some white gel pen accents. Since it's Summerween, I chose to do something different for today. I'm using my Sakura koi watercolors and I am making a background for my scene. I am very new to watercolor, so any tips are welcome, and I am not a professional. I need to learn all the ins and outs on how to do this in the best way, but I try and I have fun. Once I'm happy with the background, I heat set it with my heat tool, and afterwards I splatter the blue part with some white acrylic paint. I'm heat setting this again, and then I am adding some splatters of orange and black to the bottom part of my card, which is the grass. Once my panel is finished, I'm heat setting it again and leaving it under a heavy book overnight so it can flatten out. Now it's time to put together our card. We are starting with a standard white card base. This is an A2 size, and I'm covering it with a piece of patterned paper. Over top, I'm placing my panel that I made yesterday, and I'm popping it up using some foam tape. Now we can start to decorate our card. For this card, I really wanted the house to be the focus, and I arranged everything else around it. I use one of the sentiments from the Hi Sweetie set. This is the set that we introduced on Wednesday. And that finishes our card for today. I really love how this one turned out, and I'm super happy with my watercolor background. I hope you like my card as well. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant. And I'll see you tomorrow for the last day of introductions for this release. Bye!